By the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly how to play the Pink Panther theme tune. I also recommend pausing and rewatching the tutorial as many times as you need to. And just remember, go at your own pace. It's not a race. Slow and steady always wins the race. If this video is helping you right now, then it makes sense to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so that I know to create more weekly tutorials just like this one. Do you wish there was an easier way to learn guitar? And have you ever worried about if that initial spark will disappear quickly? I'd love to introduce Guitar Start in 30 Days, our book and online course for kids, parents and grandparents. Here's how it works. Over the next 30 days, you'll take 30 fun daily lessons to playing your first 10 songs with confidence, joy and momentum. We have taken the thinking out of what you should be learning, and it's all laid out in an easy, straightforward, clear way with checklists. So all you need to do is to just turn a page and then you'll find the next day. Complete the lesson, and it comes with practice notes, it comes with little challenges and also smart tips. We have also provided a completion certificate, and we have also provided quizzes and the answers to the quizzes at the back. witness that little smile when they finally get it right. It's priceless. If you are struggling with an easy way to learn guitar, buying Guitar Start in 30 days is the right decision. You can instantly access the program with a 20% discount by scanning this QR code with your phone, or I've provided the link in the description below. So go and click that now and get yourself signed up. I'd love to see you there. I appreciate your time. Let's jump back to today's lesson. Hi, if you don't know me already, I'm David and I'm the founder at David Aldridge Guitar Schools and Guitar Star Academy. I help to boost children's confidence and self-esteem by pointing to their greatness and potential so they get to see it more. I believe children glow differently when they connect with what makes them most powerful. I also teach from a space of love, tenderness and patience and acceptance. Today, I'm holding you in honor for making it to the end of this video where many people don't. I hoped you listened today in a way that makes you a great student. Today, we spoke from excitement. I hope that helps. That's my time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.